Okay, everybody, this is Anthony. Hey, I'm just calling to tell you that I just got my plane back from the annual. This was the annual from heaven. I took my plane to the mechanic, and this time he told me exactly what he's gonna do, how long it was gonna take him to do it, and how much I was gonna pay ahead of time. He also told me that if I had any unforeseen issues, that he would tell me before we bought parts, before we did any work, so that I would know exactly what I needed to pay, right? So my expectations this time was, hey, this is what you said it's probably gonna cost, and if anything else comes up, you're gonna give me a call before you do any work, because I don't wanna go through what I went the last time, because last time I had an annual from hell. But I'm here to tell you today, this was the annual from heaven. The guy took the plane, he kept it for a week and a half. I was having some landing gear issues too. He fixed my landing gear. He did everything that he's supposed to do, and he called me and said, hey Anthony, this is what I want to talk to you about. This is what we got going on. And he took care of everything on the plane. And he was very professional, very neat. I got the plane back the way that I thought it should be when I got it back. I didn't have any problems. I flew it back from that airport to here with no problems, and I was very happy. And you know what's the best part of all? It ended up costing me less than what he said it was gonna cost. Now, when you take your plane to a mechanic for an annual, and the annual costs less than what you were told, what are we talking about? You can't help but be happy. So I'm very happy, very pleased. And the last thing I want to tell you is that on the way back from the airport, I was all set to make a video of me flying back because I wanted to show you some flying content. That's why I stopped making videos, because I said I wasn't going to make any more videos until I was flying. I had the GoPro set up, I had everything right, I had everything ready. I used my phone, I cut it on, and I forgot to hit the play button when I left. So because of that, I don't have any content from the flight. All I have is I have a video of when I was doing a walk around, when I was picking the plane up, and I don't know how I did it, but somehow I put it in fast motion, and so time lapse, and so it's like a time lapse video of me just going around the plane, and that's it. I might add that to the end of this just so you can see, but I'm very happy, very pleased, and very soon, probably this weekend or next weekend, I'm gonna start putting out video of me flying this beautiful Commander 112 Alpha 1975, November 1377 Juliet. This is my baby. I love this plane. You know, what can I say? You know, this is my hangar that at Concord Airport that we're in. You know, I got everything in here, couches, a table to do work on, go over the log books, TV, microwave, and refrigerator. This is Anthony. I'll talk to you next time.